interim order passed by the Honorable Family Court granting the interim maintenance of rupees 20,000 per month, my lord.
So your salary is how much?
31,218 net salary.
No, madam. 43,000. 43,000.
Gross 40.
But
When
my
he's
lord,
saying something, you have to tell the court. Why would he say? You are saying that now the
My lord,
salary is more
kindly-
than what it is.
kindly annexure 8.
Why you have produced the salary slip of 2022?
Petitioner is the aspirant, my lord. The petitioner is assailing the interim order passed by the Honorable Family Court granting the interim maintenance of rupees 20,000 per month, my lord. My lords, on the earlier occasion, my lord, the Honorable Court was pleased to grant an interim order of stay directing to deposit 10,000 per month. We have already complied that order. My lords, the salary certificate is produced at annexure F, page number 32, my lords.
And what about the arrears
Arrears also deposit.
deposited?
Arrears are deposited. madam.
You have withdrawn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Salary certificate is at page number 32, annexure F, my lords.
How much? What is the
32
date of this? 32 is
First-
your date.
1st July 2022 at the top, my lords.
So your salary is how much?
31,218 net salary.
No, madam. 43,000. 43,000.
Gross 43,164.
Where do you get it? I'm not able to find.
Well,
out.
Bottom, my lords.
Bottom,
In
madam.
the bottom last line.
43,000.
164 is the gross salary. And after the statutory deductions, my lords, net salary is 31,218. That is at the last portion.
What are the deductions?
Deductions, my lords, towards provident fund and
Education fund,
towards PF, my lords.
festive
PF and
advance,
tax.
PF advance, and PF interest. Yes. So your salary is 31,218. Now,
Yes.
how much the court has granted?
20,000, my lords.
20.
20,000 has been granted.
Please come to the order of the court.
Please, that is at annexure H, page number, the relevant portion is at page number 55, my lords. 55.
Please read it.
On perusal of the, that is the second paragraph of the order. On perusal of the pleadings of objections to IA number 2, it reveals that there is no dispute regarding the relationship between the parties. And it is also not in dispute out of their wedlock, 2 children were born, daughter by name Nikita and son by name Bhuvan. The said Nikita died on 2018 and the respondent husband for no reason deserted the petitioner wife from the state. On perusal of the documents produced, makes it very clear that the respondent is working as traffic controller and the salary slip for the period 1st July 22 is produced, wherein the take-home salary is rupees 31,000.
Yes, I've seen.
Yeah. They assumed.
What agreed?
They agreed 43,165. 164 rupees.
No, 40, on the take home salary is
Hmm.
31,218.
Yes, ma'am.
And all those deductions are not any.
Now the present period salary is not paid. My lord, I have produced along with my statement of objection. ma'am. Next, kindly
What's the
see.
present salary?
Kindly,
Take home salary.
minimum salary, how much? Our help. They have to say, man.
As on the date of the adjudication of the IA, my lords.
That is correct. But
When
my
he's
lord,
saying something, you have to tell the court. Why would he say? You are saying that now the
My lord,
salary is more
kindly-
than what it is.
kindly annexure A2, page number 8, madam.
Page number?
8. I have filed a statement of objection. Annexure A2.
When have you filed?
On 22nd July. I have sought for information under RTI, madam. They have denied. I am the third party, therefore information is not provided. That is,
We have sought for the recent salary slip.
yes, ma'am.
How much it will increase from July to September?
Kindly, I request petitioner, madam.
No,
Kindly
no.
provide.
The salary slip is of which year? Which month?
22,
22,
on
madam.
the date of adjudication
From
of the
the-
IA.
This is
2020.
which year? 2024.
Yeah, now my 2024. I have
Order
filed
is when? Order is when?
2024, madam.
Why you have produced a salary slip of 2022?
My lords, when I filed the objections, my lords, to the IA.
Please come. The petitioner shall place before the court the latest salary slip basing on which further orders will be passed. Pose this matter on,
Yes.
on 20th. Yes, next.
Say
Much-
number
much
four,
obliged.
say number four,